Welcome to the Easy Computer Fix-It channel, and this is a quick video for scams that are happening right now and that are on the increase with what's happening around the world. The situation getting very, very difficult. You need to be careful. We need to stay safe. It's very important to do so. And one of the things you need is to make sure that if you know people that could easily be scammed by online, scams of all sorts, well, you know what? Please share and make sure everybody understands. So what's happening, and also the fact that there's government help that, they're promising money and stuff like that. A lot of scams are showing up in different formats. One is email from the IRS, from a government agency, telling you that, fill up the form here for the government help now. Never answer any emails that tell you that. Governments do not send emails to anyone. You will need to go by yourself into a website that is given to you by the government itself, not an email. Don't click any links. And some websites might actually deceive you because they might look like the real government site, but are actually fake. And one of the ways that you know is that, for example, if the government website to get your money would be say helppackage.com. Well, when you click a link, or if you're not sure if you're at the right place, look at the top. Is it that website that they told you to go, or is it some weird website that you don't really understand what it is in there? Because a lot of the pages will imitate the real one to fool you, but the website might not be the good one. Remember that the government never asks you in a text message and an email personal information. Never. It never happens. And a lot of the scams also go through text messaging. IRS refunds or tax revenue refunds. All sorts of course, help packages. If you are out of work, you might get a text message and says, government help is on the way here, so please fill out this form. Governments never send you text messages either. Never answer these. I actually report them as spam. Most of the phone providers actually appreciate that you actually tell them that this message, this particular text message that you've got, is actually a scam or a spam. So be very alert and tell everybody that governments and agencies never contact you through email, text messaging. It never happens, and they never ask you in these to answer some very personal questions. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.